Let's practice. Make meaningful words from the letters given in the apple. A sound words: bag, can. I sound words: pin, kid. E sound words: pen, bed. O sound words: box, dog. U sound words: cup, bug.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.